Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. Today is going to be a makeup video and we're going to be reviewing the new Maybelline Burgundy Eyeliner. This is a Tattoo Studio Dip Ink Eyeliner. I want to say that this eyeliner retails for $9.99, if not, no more than $12. So starting off, I'm going to be finishing up the rest of my eye. I will have a full tutorial on this eye look, and then I also will have a full tutorial on my whole makeup look in general. After I finish with my lower lash line eyeshadow, I will be going in with a dark brown eyeliner to then to line my waterline. Alrighty, now we can get into the good stuff. So the good stuff is, this is the Maybelline Tattoo Dip Ink liquid eyeliner, and this is in the new shade Burgundy Boost, and it's just a burgundy liquid eyeliner. It looks like this. It does have a felt tip. Now, normally I do have beef with felt tip eyeliners. I used to love felt tip eyeliners when I was a lot younger, but as I've grown up, a lot of the felt tip eyeliners are actually pretty hard, and it's just not my vibe. I prefer a brush tip. So when I got this, I was like, ugh. But let me tell you guys, this is honestly the best felt tip liquid eyeliner that I've personally used. If I am going to use a felt tip, it's always going to be in a pin form, right? But if I did get a liquid form, this is honestly the best felt tip I've personally used so far from the drugstore. It's nice and thin. At first I thought it was a brush. It's nice and thin. It's very soft, so you don't feel like you're sort of stabbing out your upper lash line just trying to draw, and that's what I love. Now as far as the formula of the eyeliner, it does dry matte. It is waterproof. I absolutely love this formula. I don't know, I've been stuck on my Essence liquid liners, which I still love, obviously. They're they're not $1 something. They're like $3, they're like less than $5 for each each eyeliner, and I really enjoy them. But honestly, I could definitely try out the black and the brown of this liquid liner because I genuinely enjoy the experience. It was very soft. It went on very smooth. The only complaint that I do have, and this is probably because it's a felt tip, but I did have to go back into the tube around 3 times just to finish the eye. But yeah, other than that, the formula was absolutely beautiful. It glided on. There was no streaking. Just perfection. I feel like the burgundy is so good for the fall time. So if you guys are looking for a new eyeliner or a new makeup product to add for the fall time but don't want to overdo it, this will be the perfect thing for you guys. But yeah, that is basically it for my little review on this eyeliner. It is a 10 out of 10 for me. Absolutely love this. Is Cassandra approved for sure, and you'll definitely be seeing her for the fall time. I'm really excited. She's cute. Also, it'd be cute for the winter too, you know, like Christmas vibes. This burgundy shade is just all around great for the second half of the year. Super cute. Yeah, I want to say so cute. I love, you know, I want to say all those things, but I don't want to be like super repetitive. But I really love this. Like, I really love this accessory. I feel like winged eyeliner is an accessory to the rest of your makeup. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. This video is going to continue, not for much longer, but it's going to continue. I am going to go, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below what you guys would like to see next, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.